Phone repair guy here, super excited, ready to show you guys the Xiaomi Note 10. Stay tuned so we can unbox it. So here we go, we got the first look of the Xiaomi Note 10. A SIM tray removal, manual and instructions, a warranty card, just in case if you have any problems with this device in multiple language, a TPU case, it's black TPU see-through case. The accessories that this device brings comes with the international adapter, fast charger, also the fast charging C-type USB adapter. Very surprised that this product does not bring in headphones from factory. Move on to the device. I been provided some information from the Xiaomi Mi Note 10, and this is just outstanding. 108 megapixels ultra high resolution camera, which must be a very incredible image, must capture multiple colors. Also is very known for the penta cameras, and pretty much is a whole different system, you know, in the camera scenarios. Here we notice that it has 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 internal built-in cameras. It takes nano SIM cards, and it's dual SIM cards, meaning you could have multiple services in one device. This right here is an amazing midnight black. So very slick frame, speakers very high end. You can see the internal front-facing camera with an infinity curved screen. Here we're looking at the volume button and the power button, and the SIM tray is right underneath that, finished with that midnight black. Also, this has a C-type charging port, and it has the 3.5 headphone jacks with this loudspeaker right underneath next to the charging port. Let's do the first power up on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10. Here we notice the absolute MUI 11 life gets easier. I'm pretty sure this is a software production. And here we have an Android based feature, very similar to majority of the Androids. Now we're going to bypass all this information that we're supposed to input, but since this is a unboxing video, we'll go ahead and skip all of that. So now we're going to introduce you guys what is inside the SIM tray. We pop that with our SIM remover, and here we have 2 nano SIM slots for the dual SIM cards. Notice that this device doesn't have a slot for SD card, a memory card, external memory card. So basically your Union, it has 128 gigabytes, which is what you can manually use. Now you cannot increase the amount of memory that this device have. So as you guys see here, we have a built-in internal screen fingerprint. So there's no other gadgets or anywhere to locate your fingerprint. It's actually on the LCD. So now we're going to add our fingerprint on our screen. Wow, this is the first view of the vibration colors on the built-in screen LCD. This is phenomenal. You can see all the icons, all your logos, very clear, very detailed. Let's go ahead and check the cameras out. That's a very good feature. Wow, guys, I just grabbed one of our little Bluetooth speakers here that we got on our field, and this is just outstanding. You guys could clearly see how focus is into the details on the speaker in the background. It's blurred out. This is using the 108 megapixel camera. It's phenomenal. This is just outstanding. You can see the crease all over my hands, the details on the speaker, every inch, every centimeter on this speaker is just very great. Very great camera. This is, to me, is a 10 out of 10 comparison unto other Samsung devices, Apple devices. To me, this is outstanding for, you know, a $500 product that's out in the market, factory unlocked. 108 megapixels on the camera. This is just outstanding. Wow, so not only does it have that fingerprint built in inside the LCD, it also does the face recognition where it unlocks your device, your face features. And as you see on the blank screen, it's introducing to you guys a thumbprint where you would place your finger and unlock your device. Here we're gonna go ahead and try it out, test it out. See, the responsive is extremely fast. See how long we take? And just like that, guys. You know what? I'm gonna give it a test and just thumb it and remove my finger as fast as I possibly can. See if I could beat the feature actually unlocking the device. So here we go, guys. So yeah, you probably have to press it for like milliseconds, not too much. You might firmly just press and release. And just like that, guys. Here we analyzing 5 cameras, multiple features, also infrared for night vision, which is really intense. We have a 5x zoom in lens, so if you have a distance, you want to take a picture of something that's in distance, the Statue of Liberty. Here we see 2 flashlights. I am assuming for night vision and for daylight. This is something really impressive. Most of the devices now only carry 1 flashlight, unlike the Xiaomi Note 10, it carries 2 flashlights. And future references, if you ever want to repair this device, you have a cracked screen, you definitely have to remove the back cover. It has a built-in adhesive that holds the back cover. It's definitely not glass, it's something more like a plastic